Hello and welcome. Today, we will learn beginner English conversations for everyday life. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence with me. We will speak very slowly so you can understand every word. There will be a fun quiz to help you remember what we have learned. If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more slow English lessons. Now, let's begin. I dust the shelves. I dust the shelves. I wipe the bookshelf. I wipe the bookshelf. I wipe the picture frame. I wipe the picture frame. I straighten the cushions. I straighten the cushions. I wipe the windows. I wipe the windows. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.
I clean the sink. I clean the sink.
I clean the refrigerator. I clean the refrigerator. I clean the microwave. I clean the microwave. I clean the oven. I clean the oven. I scrub the toilet bowl. I scrub the toilet bowl. I clean the bathtub. I clean the bathtub. I polish the mirror. I polish the mirror. I wash the clothes. I wash the clothes. I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. Great job. My house is clean. Now it's time for the quiz to review what we learned today.
This is a quick quiz. Let's review what we learned. Choose the correct answer. Good luck.
I wipe the windows. I wipe the windows. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I clean the refrigerator. I clean the refrigerator. I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes.
That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these beginner English learning videos.